Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, the average weight of 25 students in class 8th of a school is 42 kg. Find the total weight of all the students taken together. Let's see the solution. The total weight is equal to the average weight into the number of students, which is equal to 42 into 25 kg, which is equal to 1050 kg, and therefore the total weight of all the students taken together is equal to 1050 kg. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, what is the average of first 5 prime numbers? Let's see the solution. The average of first 5 prime numbers is equal to the sum of first 5 prime numbers divided by the number of quantities, that is 5, and it is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 divided by 5, or is equal to 28 by 5, which is equal to 5.6. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is, the marks obtained by a student in English, Mathematics and Hindi are 65, 87 and 31 respectively. Find his average score. Let's see the solution. The average score is given as the total score divided by the number of subjects, which is equal to 65 plus 87 plus 31 divided by 3, or is equal to 183 divided by 3, which is equal to 61. That is, the average score of the student is 61. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.
Hello, I am Sneha. The question is, the average weight of 25 students in class 8th of a school was 42 kg. Then, 2 new students who weighed 52 kg and 68 kg respectively were admitted to the class. Find the new average weight of the students in the class. The solution is, we know that the average weight is given by total weight of all students upon number of students in the class. Therefore, we have from the question that the average weight is given as 42 kg and number of students is equal to 25. Substituting these values in the equation, we have 42 is equal to total weight upon the number of students, that is equal to 25. So, from here we get total weight is equal to 42 into 25, which is equal to 1050 kg. It is also said in the question that 2 new students who weighed 52 kg and 68 kg respectively were admitted to the class. Therefore, now the weight is going to be increased. So, the new weight will be equal to 1050 kg, that is total weight of 25 students, plus 52 kg plus 68 kg. which means 2 new weights are included now into the class, and this is equal to 1170 kg. Also, the number of students has increased, so new number of students is now equal to 25 plus these 2 new students, that is equal to 27 students. Therefore, now we have new weight as equal to 1170 kg and new number of students equal to 27. Therefore, the new average weight of 27 students is equal to 1170 upon 27, which is equal to 43.33 kgs. So, we have the new average weight as equal to 43.33 kg. So, the answer is 43.33 kgs. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Sneha. The question is, the average weight of 10 men increased by 1.5 kg when one of the men who weighs 68 kg was replaced by a new man. Find the weight of the new man. The solution is, let the weight of new man is equal to n kgs and the original average weight is equal to, say, A. Since we know that average is equal to sum upon n, that is number of terms, and sum means addition of those terms. It is given in the question that the average weight of 10 men increased by 1.5 kg. If the original average is A, then the new average changes to A plus 1.5. That means A plus 1.5 kgs. This is the new average. Since the original average was A and number of men were 10, therefore the sum of weights of those 10 men is equal to 10 times A. As it is given in the question that the average increased by 1.5 kg when one of the men who weighs 68 kg was replaced by a new man. That means one man who weighs 68 kg was moved out and another man having weight as n kg came in and the average weight increases. So the equation becomes, since the number of men remain the same, that is equal to 10. So the new weight now becomes the sum of weight of 10 earlier men's, that is equal to 10 times A, minus weight of the men who left, that is equal to 68, plus weight of the new man who entered divided by total number of men, which is equal to A plus 1.5. That is, the new average weight which increased by 1.5 kgs. On solving this equation, we get 10a minus 68 plus n is equal to 10a plus 15. From where we get n is equal to 15 plus 68. That is, n is equal to 83 kgs, which means that the weight of new men is 83 kg. So, the correct answer is 83 kgs. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.